Hi everyone, my name is Meralda. I am 28 years old and I'm working as an account manager in advertising agency in Jakarta. In my working environment, English is very important. That's why I never stop learning to improve my English skill. And I'm sure you guys need English as well. That's why I'm here to share about the brand new English learning system called Linguaphone, the world famous English course software. This system uses an integrated language learning process from listening, reading, speaking, and writing. First, I listen the audio program. If I don't understand what are they saying or what does it mean, I will look into the script that show up on my screen. The listening process will help me to listen clearly how they pronounce the words and sentence in English language. After that, I will try to speak. This system also provided with a speech recognition program, which can record your voice and autocorrect your pronouns. At the end of lesson unit, you will find the exercises and assignments where you can test how far your understanding is. This system has helped me improve my English skill, and whenever I want to refresh the lesson, I will take USB, then plug it into my laptop, then follow the instruction. Just as simple as that. It's much more effective and efficient compared to regular course that generally takes 1 until 5 minutes per level. Imagine if you take a regular course while you should work from 9 to 5 p.m. and also you have to meet the traffic jam for 1 or 2 or even more hours. Then when you arrive at your classroom, the time flies and the class has broken up. How can you fix that? You cannot even reschedule it. You waste your money, you waste your time. Isn't it so tiring? Saatnya Anda meningkatkan kemampuan bahasa Inggris Anda demi meningkatkan karir dan juga bisnis Anda. You only need 30 minutes for 90 days. I promise, if you committed with this, you will get your own success.